The Razer Blade 15-based gaming laptop 2020 is a compact and powerful gaming device that offers a competitive edge in high FPS games. It features a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce graphics, providing potent performance for both creative.
The Razer Blade 15-based gaming laptop 2020 is available with two different NVIDIA graphics options, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660T and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. These graphics cards provide powerful performance for gaming and content creation. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660T is a capable GPU for 1080p gaming, while the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 offers additional features such as real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics. Both options are paired with the 10th Gen Intel Core i7 6-core processor, delivering a potent combination for a wide range of computing tasks. The laptop's advanced thermal management system, including a vapor chamber and heat pipe system, ensures efficient heat dissipation, allowing the device to handle heavy workloads without compromising performance. The Razer Blade 15-based gaming laptop 2020 also features a per-key or GB Razer Chroma keyboard, providing customizable lighting options for a personalized gaming experience. Additionally, the laptop offers a range of connectivity options, including an SD card reader, an Ethernet port in select models, catering to diverse user requirements. The ultra-compact design and powerful hardware make it a compelling choice for gamers and creative professionals seeking a balance between performance and portability.